What up, YouTube? It's your boy Coleon, and I'm back in the hood with another one. Today, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the Cutlass out and wipe it down, clean it up a bit. It's been a while since I wiped it down. I would wash it, but the car is already pretty much clean. Just got a little dust that done settled on it, So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out and yeah, like I said, wipe it down, clean it up a little bit. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Soap water. Look at all that dirt and grime down there. So we're gonna have to rinse this bucket out. Soap up out of there. Alright. Put some straight water in here. Get our rag and get the wiping. Let me idle this bad boy down real quick. Gonna go ahead and get this water together real quick. Enough. Grab me a couple rags, and then we are good to gizzo. So grab this one. So I had another clean one up in here. bad boys in here. Then we're gonna wipe this bad boy down. Yeah, man. Clean, 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 clean. All right, y'all. Let me get this camera set up and I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Alright, so we're done wiping down the outside. Only thing that I didn't do is the wheels, and the reason I didn't do the wheels is because I like to wash the wheels when I do them, because you know, from the brake dust and all that. So I didn't do the wheels, but I'm definitely gonna wipe this inside down because you know, sometimes I get in the cars, my hands be dirty from doing other stuff. You know, I might jump in the car after breaking the yard or, you know, something else. So sometimes I drive the cars to work, my hands be a little dirty, so I like to keep stuff clean. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and wipe this inside down, get it cleaned up a little bit, dash, stuff like that. I try to keep my cars as clean as possible. Now, I'm not no super neat clean freak or nothing like that when it comes to my cars, but I do like to keep them clean, especially if I buy them clean. If I buy them clean, I like to try to keep them in the same condition, you know, that the owner that I bought it from kept it in. So you know, only car that I really neglect as far as the inside is my daily driver. I ain't gonna lie. You probably could say I give 2 F's about that car. As long as it's running good, you know, I mean, my wife do clean the inside of the car. Sometimes I'll clean it, but yeah, 9 times out of 10, the inside of that bad boy is gonna be woo. You feel me? So yeah. Wipe this down a little bit. This mug. Yeah, like I said, the car really ain't even dirty. The car really ain't even dirty on the inside, but I still like to, I still like to keep it a little clean, wipe things down. So yeah, that's what I do. Yep. Yeah, buddy. So I'm about to finish wiping this inside down, and then I might go ahead and pull it out to the edge of the driveway and give y'all a full walk around, show y'all, the full details of the car inside and out, so y'all can see just how clean it is, and not from my cell phone view like the last time. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. All right, for those of you that's new to the channel, this is my 1987 Cutlass 442. We just got done wiping the car down. I'm gonna give y'all a walk around so y'all can see the car. If this your first time seeing it, this bad boy clean. Excuse me for the sound of the leaves in the background. Y'all know it's fall and there's leaves everywhere. Now I'm about to go ahead and open up the doors, the hood, the trunk, so y'all can check out the rest of the car. All right, so we're gonna start from under the hood and just do a walk around of the car. So as you can tell, the car has been well taken care of. The factory 307 engine was swapped out by the original owner who I bought the car from and changed out with a 350, a brand new 350. Wheels in good shape. These are the original tires from '87 that came on the car. They're a little dry rotted, so I really don't drive the car on the highway until I put some new ones on it, but I don't drive the car that much, so I haven't changed out the tires yet. And you can see under them jams, the car is super clean. Super clean. I don't care how good your old school drive, rad, always keep you a fire extinguisher of some kind in the car. And y'all can see, excuse that raggedy ass truck in the background. As y'all can see, the inside is immaculate. The inside is immaculate. Back to the trunk. Also, super clean. Super clean. Super clean. T-top bags. That spare ain't never been rolled on. Bumper fillers, everything in excellent condition. This car was garaged its entire life. Entire life. Yep. Yeah, buddy. She clean. She's super clean. Super clean. Headlights, excellent condition. Side marker lights, excellent condition. All the lights on the car is in excellent condition. The original emblem that go right here, I got it in the house. It's in a box that the owner gave to me. He actually swapped that out for this because he thought that it gave the car a cleaner look. So I could swap, you know, this out if I wanted to give the car its original look. In Ohio, we don't wear front tags no more, so I'm glad I'm able to put this 442 plate on the front. You know, the paint on the car is in excellent condition. Excellent condition. Now, normally when I drive the car, I kind of like keep my hand off the steering wheel because, you know, some steering wheels, the little leather or whatever this is made out of, get the folding back and stuff. So a lot of times when I drive the car, I drive it with my hand like this, or I drive over here. But I use these areas to turn with because I don't want to mess the steering wheel up. When I do put my Daytons on the car, I will swap this steering wheel out and put the spoke steering wheel on. So I always had this steering wheel to put back on the car. And you can see the mileage on the car, 32,000. I've probably put about maybe 50 miles on this car, if that, since I bought it a couple months ago. So I really don't drive the car too much. Yeah, that back, everything is just immaculate. It's clean. The car is super, super clean. Oh, one thing that I didn't show y'all. I know I showed y'all in the last video, but this for the new people. The tops. Oh, I got them locked. I got the tops locked. But these seals up here is in excellent condition. No corrosion, no cracks. Everything under there is in perfect condition. Perfect condition. Yep. So, yeah, y'all, there it is. Y'all pretty much got a full walk around of my 1987 Cutlass 442. And be looking out for me to do small things to the car here and there when I order my wheels. Like I said, once I order my wheels, I'm gonna take y'all on that ride when I go out to Dayton and order my wheels. I'm gonna try to get y'all inside the plant where they make the wheels at, so y'all can kind of see how the process go. I've talked to the guy there before, the manager, and he pretty cool, so he might go ahead and let me record in there. I'm hoping. If he do, then yeah, I'm gonna take y'all along for that, and y'all can see the process of how the wheels is made, and y'all can go on my journey with me when I go order my wheels. So yep, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, hit the post notification bell, like, comment, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Yeah.